An ecosystem is a natural system comprising living organisms, plants, animals, and microorganisms, interacting with each other and their non-living environment, such as air, water, and soil. Ecosystem restoration refers to the process of assisting in the recovery and re-establishment of degraded, damaged, or destroyed ecosystems to their original healthy and balanced state. It aims to improve biodiversity, enhance ecosystem services, and support sustainable livelihoods for communities. Below are 10 effective methods used to restore ecosystems. Here are 10 methods of restoring ecosystems. 1. Afforestation and Reforestation. This involves planting trees and vegetation in areas where forests have been cut down, deforested, or where there were no previous forests, afforested, which helps in improving soil quality, increasing biodiversity, restoring natural water cycles, and reducing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. 2. Soil conservation practices. Applying methods such as contour plowing, terracing, mulching, and the construction of check dams helps to prevent soil erosion, maintain soil fertility, and improve land productivity, which is essential for restoring degraded agricultural and natural ecosystems. 3. Wetland rehabilitation. This method involves restoring degraded wetlands by re-establishing natural water flows, planting native aquatic plants, and removing invasive species to improve water quality, increase biodiversity, and provide habitat for wildlife and fish species. 4. Removal of invasive species. Invasive plant and animal species can outcompete native species and disrupt ecosystem balance. Thus, their removal through mechanical, chemical, or biological control restores natural ecosystems and allows indigenous species to thrive again. 5. Reintroduction of native species. This entails breeding and releasing native plants and animals back into their natural habitats to rebuild populations, promote genetic diversity, and help ecosystems regain their original structure and function. 6. Environmental awareness campaigns. Educating communities about the importance of ecosystems, sustainable resource use, and restoration projects encourages public participation and promotes environmentally friendly practices that support restoration efforts. 7. Controlled or prescribed burning. In ecosystems such as savannas and grasslands, controlled fires are deliberately set under managed conditions to remove invasive species, recycle nutrients into the soil, and promote the growth of native plant species. 8. Sustainable land use planning. Organizing land for agriculture, settlement, industry, and conservation in a way that balances human needs with environmental protection helps to prevent further degradation and allows degraded ecosystems to recover over time. 9. Water catchment management. Protecting and rehabilitating water catchment areas through practices like reforestation, erosion control, and the regulation of water use ensures the availability of clean water, supports aquatic ecosystems, and prevents land degradation. 10. Waste management and pollution control. Proper disposal of waste, recycling initiatives, and the control of industrial emissions reduce environmental pollution, improving air, water, and soil quality, which is essential for the restoration and health of ecosystems.